Come back. We're going to go to the top of our space. Here, for the next part of the process, we're going to go to the Home tab. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Writing tab. We first want to verify the model that we are using. In this case, we're going to use the Claude 3.5 Sonnet model. And we're now going to head back to the home page. We are now going to change our focus. We're going to change our focus in this post to writing. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to ask Perplexity for an outline on our topic area. We're going to paste in our text and we're going to alter it slightly. So now we have set Perplexity to write. In this particular case, we can choose to upload images, text, or PDF. We're going to add to this PDF. And we have our files. We are now going to click Enter. And Perplexity will begin to produce what it is that we have asked it to produce. Now, one of the things that you may notice about your content is it will take into consideration what you have personalized in your profile. And so you will see elements of your writing. If that is a step that you have taken, Perplexity will attempt to take that profile and add it to your writing. Now, this is more of an outline than it is an actual article. But what we're going to do is we're going to ask Perplexity to rewrite this, but to rewrite it in article format. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.